You are listening to AI with Shaili, and I'm Shailendra Kumar, bringing you the latest and most fascinating developments from the world of artificial intelligence. Today, let's dive into a story from Montreal where art meets AI in a truly compelling way. Imagine a robotic arm, yes, a robot with hands, painstakingly reproducing an artist's painting stroke by stroke. That's exactly what's happening with Montreal based artist Audrey Eve Goulet and the startup Acrylic Robotics. Audrey Eve was skeptical at first, but was genuinely impressed when she saw the robot's version of her work. The strokes, the shapes, it looked almost identical, except, of course, it missed the emotional heartbeat behind those brushstrokes. Now, here's a thought provoking question for you. Can a machine ever truly capture the soul of art? What makes acrylic robotics stand out is their ethical approach. Founded by Chloe Ryan, they're not about replacing artists but boosting their creativity and earnings by automating reproductions only with full consent, proper credit, and fair compensation. Artists join voluntarily and receive anywhere from 5% to 50% of the sales, depending on their profile, with reproductions priced between a few hundred to $1,000. The demand is high. About 500 artists are already on the wait list. This initiative is a fresh take on a long standing debate about AI's role in creative fields. While some experts express concern that replicated art might dilute value, others see it as a financial lifeline for artists who struggle to break into elite galleries. Chloe's vision is clear: use AI as an amplifier, not a replacement. I can't help but draw from my own experience dabbling with creative AI tools. Sometimes the technology surprises you, not by stealing creativity, but by complementing it. Here, the robotic arm is like a skilled apprentice, replicating the master strokes with precision but leaving the unique spirit to the artist. Bonus tip: if you're an artist curious about AI tools, always ensure there's transparency and consent in how your work is used. Ethical AI collaborations not only protect your art, but can open new revenue streams. Before we wrap up, here's a quote to ponder: art enables us to find ourselves and lose ourselves at the same time. Thomas Merton. And in this new age, AI might just be the tool helping artists find new selves and audiences. Follow me on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium at Shailendra Kumar for more AI insights. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest news, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Can robots truly recreate the heart of art? Drop a comment and let's discuss. That's all for today on AI with Shaili. Until next time, keep exploring the art of intelligence.